You use MolaPlus Pig Microbes in the water the pigs drink. You can put it in the tanks or reservoirs, but ensure that the water does not have chlorine and silver sulfate that is usually used in the purification of water. Mix your water in this manner. 1 liter for every 1,000 liters of water. Dilute MolaPlus Pig Microbes in a tank and maintain such dilutions manually. Let the pigs use that mixture throughout their production cycle. You can also spray a mixture of MolaPlus Pig Microbes on their feeds as indicated on the pack. When you spray on the feeds, it will help to make the nutrients in the pig's feed more available to the pigs and minimize wastage through dung. That is how you acquire efficient feed utilization. You take 1 liter and mix it into 100 liters of water and spray it onto the feeds. However, we strongly recommend the following way of using MolaPlus Pig Microbes. Take 1 liter of MolaPlus Pig Microbes and mix into 20 liters of clean non-chlorinate water, then mix thoroughly. See instructions on the pack. Ensure you attain about 30% moisture content. It should not be soggy and it should not be dry. You can pick some, squeeze in the hand and see whether you can see some very little water oozing through your fingers when you squeeze very hard to know your moisture content is right. Then put in a plastic paper or drum, compress to remove as much air as possible and let it ferment for between 7 to 10 days. Close the drum tightly to ensure no air gets in. By the 7th day, it shall smell very nice. Use the fermented feed as follows. Week 1, use 1%. Mix it with your feed daily and feed your pigs. Week 2, use 2% in your pigs' feed daily. Week 3, use 3% in your pigs' feed daily.